GMP and GHP. The Codex Alimentarius Commission created by FAO and WHO in 1963 to develop the food standards and guidelines. FAO and WHO developed the Alimentarius Commission, the Codex Alimentarius Commission in 1963 to develop the food standards and guidelines. Codex Alimentarius Commission brought out the recommended internal Code of Practice, General Principles of Food Hygiene or GHP, Good Hygienic Practices. Recommended Internal Code of Practice, General Principles of Food Hygiene or GHP, Good Hygienic Practices, undergone 4 revisions in 1969. So, FAO and WHO developed the Codex Alimentarius Commission in 1963. Codex Alimentarius Commission brought out the recommended internal Code of Practice, General Principles of Food Hygiene or Good Hygienic Practices in 1969 that undergone 4 revisions. Good Hygienic Practices that undergone 4 revisions. How many revisions? 4 revisions. Recommended Internal Code of Practice or General Principles of Food Hygiene or GHP, Good Hygienic Practices, undergone 4 revisions in 1969. ISO or International Organization for Standardization brought out ISO 22000:2005 in 2005 on a global scale. Food Safety Management System, FSMS. It is a ISO 22000 in 2005. It is a generic food safety management system used by any organization that is directly or indirectly involved in the food chain. The global leader in establishment of guidelines for private sector standards. So ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, brought out ISO 22000 in 2005. ISO 22000:2005 on a global scale. It is a food safety management system or FSMS. It is a generic food safety management standard used by any organization that is directly or indirectly involved in the food chain. The global leader in establishment of guidelines for private sector enterprise. ISO is the global leader. ISO is the global leader in establishment of guidelines for private sector standards. Who established the guidelines for private sector standards in food safety? ISO. ISO is the global leader in establishing the guidelines for private sector standards. Global leader. Which type of standards? Private sector standards. Sector, example ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Give examples of ISO. ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Sector, standard or services of standards. Sector automotive, ISO or TS 16949 is to 2002. Education, IWA2 2007. Energy, PS 242, ISO 50001. Food safety, ISO 22000 is to 2005. Information security, ISO or IEC 27001 is to 2005. Healthcare, IWAI is to 2005. Local government, IWA4 is to 2009. Medical services, ISO 13485 is to 2003. Petroleum and gas, ISO or TS 29001 is to 2007. Ship recycling, ISO 30000 is to 2009. Supply chain security, ISO 28000 is to 2007. Give examples of ISO, ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Food safety standards. ISO 22000 integrates Codex Alimentarius Commission 7 principles of HACCP plus PRPs or prerequisite programs to reduce the food safety hazards. Prerequisite programs are GHP or Good Hygienic Practices, GMP or Good Manufacturing Practices, Good Agricultural Practices, Good Production Practices, Good Distribution Practices, Good Trading Practices. GMP, everyone involved in training and energy managerial staff needs GMP. Everyone involved in training and every managerial staff needs GMP. According to food quality standards, personal hygiene of staffs is involved in food legislation and food law enforcement. So food safety standards ISO 22000 integrates The Codex Alimentarius Commission 7 principles of HACCP plus PRP or prerequisite programs that reduce the food safety hazards. Food safety standards ISO 22000 integrates the Codex Alimentarius Commission's 7 principles of HACCP. HACCP have how many principles? 7 principles. And these 7 principles of HACCP are produced by which? Are produced by the Codex Alimentarius Commission. Codex Alimentarius Commission developed the 7 principles of HACCP plus PRPs or prerequisite programs that reduce the food safety hazards. Prerequisites are GHP or good hygienic practices, GMP or good manufacturing practices, good agricultural practices, good production practices, good distribution practices, good trading practices. GMP, everyone involved in the training and every managerial staff needs the GMP. According to food safety standards, personal hygiene of staffs involved in food legislation and food law enforcement. GMP. According to food safety standards, personal hygiene of staffs are involved in the food legislation and food law enforcement. Components of GMP. How many components of GMP? 3 components. Cleaned building premises, cleaned equipments, cleaned product and process design. End product should meet expectation of consumers in any circumstances. So how many components are under GMP or good manufacturing practices? 3 types of components are under GMP. Cleaned building premises, cleaned equipments, product and process design. End product should meet the expectation of consumers in any circumstances. Significance of manufacturing and operating procedures in an effective GMP system. Documentation, MMI, Master Manufacturing Instructions, specific for each product. Master Manufacturing Instructions is specific for each product. MMI, documentation. Significance of storage and movement of products in a GMP. Products like raw materials, intermediate products and finished products should be protected from microbiological cross-contamination. Significance of rejection of product and complaints handling in GMP. Proper disposal of rejected products. Product quality complaints controlled by quality control manager. Product quality complaints controlled by quality control manager. So significance of manufacturing and operating procedures in an effective GMP system. Significance of manufacturing and operating procedures in an effective GMP system. Documentation, MMI, Master Manufacturing Instructions. MMI is specific for each product. MMI or Master Manufacturing Instructions is specific for each product. Significance of storage and movement of products in GMP. Significance of storage and movement of products in GMP. Products like raw materials, intermediate materials and finished materials or finished products. 3 types of products are there: raw materials, intermediate products and finished products. These products should be protected from microbiological cross-contamination. Which type of cross-contamination? Microbiological. This type of products means finished products, intermediate products and raw materials should be protected from microbiological cross-contamination. Then significance of rejection of product and complaints handling in GMP. Significance of rejection of products and complaints handling in GMP. Proper disposal of rejected products quality complaints controlled by quality control manager. Proper disposal of rejected products and product quality complaints handled by quality control manager. So 3 types of significance of GMP are there. How many types of significance of GMP are there? 3 types of significance. First is significance of manufacturing and operating procedures in an effective GMP system. Second is significance of storage and movement of products in GMP. Third is significance of rejection and rejected products and complaints handling in GMP. How many principles are there in GMP? Good manufacturing practices. What are these? 10 principles. Writing procedures, following written procedures, documenting for traceability, validating works, designing facilities and equipments, maintaining facilities and equipments, job, competence, cleanliness, components control, auditing for compliance. So how many principles are under GMP? 10 principles. How many principles are under GMP? 10 principles. Moves to GHP or good handling practices. Minimum sanitary and hygienic practices for all food processors of hotels and restaurants. So what do you mean by GHP? Good hygienic practices. It is the minimum sanitary and hygienic practice for all food processors that work in hotels and restaurants. Food processors. GHP or good hygienic practices, minimum sanitary and hygienic practice for all food processors, hotel and restaurants. Recommend HACCP based approach. Which type of approach is offered by GHP or good hygienic practices? HACCP based approach, hazard analysis critical control point based approach. How many elements are there in GHP? 8 elements. Primary production, establishment, design and layout facilities, control of operation. Under control of operation, 3 factors are there: control of hazards, control of time and temperature, control of water. Establishment, maintenance and sanitation, harborage and eradication, establishment of personal hygiene. Transportation, production, information and consumer awareness, lot identification and labeling, and training. So how many elements are under GHP or good hygienic practices? 8 elements are there. First is primary production, second is establishment, design, layout and facilities, third is control of operation. Under control of operation, three types of controls or 3 factors are there: control of hazards, control of time and temperature, and control of water. Control of operation. Then fourth component or fourth element under GHP is establishment, maintenance and sanitation, harborage and eradication. Eradication of pest insects. Establishment of personal hygiene is the 5th element of GHP. 6th element is transportation. 7th element is product information and consumer awareness. Under this, product information and consumer awareness, lot identification and labeling. And the last or 8th element of GHP is training. So how many elements are under GHP? 8 elements. And how many principles are under GMP? 10 principles.